accomplished medical doctor. But all that Honorable Pukosa is saying, Honorable Speaker, with all due respect, is pure academics. It's academic because as we speak, we know for sure that even the 70,000 shillings you are offering the intern doctors is not in the collective bargaining agreement that was signed between the doctors and the government way back in 2017. That CBA has not been waived as we speak. So what is the government doing? Either to honor the CBA in letter and spirit or review it with the concurrence of the doctors. That is how labor issues are addressed, Honorable Speaker, the world over. So what we are being treated to here is mere academic. I don't think we shall go far if this spirit continues, this kind of thinking. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.